up, everybody? This is Nathan with Riverside Rebuilds. It's kind of an intro to our channel we put on here. We've been doing this for a long time, but we're just now kind of getting around to the point where we think we need to share what we're doing with everybody and let everybody know what's going on behind these shop doors here. So, we're going to try to do a video every week. Maybe do some how-to stuff, some instructional stuff, technical stuff. Definitely going to be a lot of comedy because there's some characters that come through the shop from time to time. So just keep checking back with us and follow us on Facebook, Riverside Rebuilds, Facebook.com. And like us, share us, subscribe, check back, and we'll see where this thing goes. Appreciate you guys.